Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to look at the HYCHIKA drill driver. Alright guys, this is going to be the 16.8 volt system. This is a great DIY system. It's also great for a handyman who doesn't want to load up his tool pouch and just needs a quick driver that has a lot of strength. This has a lot of cool functions on it. It has 2-speed transmission at the top. In the high, it is going to be 1500 rounds per minute. Low is going to be 400 rounds per minute. But not only that, it has a variable speed trigger. So you can see that there's 3 different speeds there. It has an LED light, which is going to light up my surface. And it has a clutch up in the top. And this is going to be a 23+1 clutch. What that means is it has 23 different slip clutch positions, but it has also one final drill function on it as well. So you have a total of 24. Now, your switching from reverse to forward is simply a red button there. You can hit it from either side. You can leave it in the middle so that you cannot accidentally trigger, which is kind of a great function as well. This is going to be a keyless. You just hold it and open it up or close it. And one of the biggest things I like about this one is I love the handle. A lot of these that are the smaller compact ones, I have really large hands and I struggle with those. This one goes all the way down. It's open. It's actually kind of fat, if you notice right here, which makes it easy to hold if you have big hands. So it's very well made and it's balanced. The weight is up in the top of it, but it makes it easy to maneuver. It's not very long, so I can get it into tight spaces very easily. It's just very well made. It's a heavy-duty rubber material, which should be very easy to clean, and it should take a lot of abuse. Now, what you're going to get is you're going to get the box that it comes in. You're going to get the charger, and how this charger works, guys, you simply have 2 little places here on the sides. You just push, pull that down, and you are going to plug this in just like that, and you are ready to rock and roll as far as charging. When it's charging, it's going to have a red light on the actual transformer part of it. When it's fully charged, it turns green, so that way you know that you have a full charge. As with any other battery powered tool, make sure that you fully charge it the first time before you use it. Now this is a 3/8 inch system and it is brushless, which means you're not going to be putting new brushes or anything in this thing like you do a lot of your older type tools. Now they are also going to give you 53 pieces of accessories. So if you're a DIYer, this is fantastic. It gives you pretty much everything you need to get started. You're going to have regular drill bits, which are going to be these in the black, and you're going to have twist bits, which tend to work a little bit better in woods and things like that. You can drill in metal, plastic, drywall, wood, of course, just pretty much anything other than maybe concrete. You'll need a special bit and driver for that. They have all of the other little bits from Phillips. I see star bits here. I see, do we have a square? I don't see a square here. I already have one of the Phillips out, but they give you a whole nother packet here that has just about everything in it. This one has the little driver piece in the center, and I have star. Boy, I have just about everything you can think of. Squares, I have straight edge. I have Torx. I have everything I need right here. Now, the one thing I will tell you about these is I can tell by looking at them that this is the type, if you let it get wet, you are probably going to end up with a little rust. So make sure you do not leave this out in the weather. And if you do happen to use it around wet conditions, I would spray it down with a little WD-40 to keep these in perfect condition. Now, what we are going to do, I've got a board here with some screws are in it. I've got a drywall and a couple of just metal screws. We're going to go ahead and see how well this works. I can already tell you it has a lot of power. I can feel it when I'm moving it. This feels as powerful as my big Milwaukee DeWalt systems or my bigger HYCHIKA. Now I have the larger HYCHIKA system as well, and it has been fantastic. I use that thing quite a bit. So let's see how it actually drives. I mean, that is unreal. Let's move that. Let's change our gear to 1. Now 1 is going to be much slower. Like I said, 400 rounds per minute, but it has a lot more torque. Now let's go ahead and put it on high again and see what this does. So we're going to drive it all the way down and drive it all the way up. All right, so now we are going to go ahead and try our clutch, and I'm going to put it down. We're going to try a 7 and see if that clutches it. There we go. I can feel the clutch and you can hear it stopping. Let's go ahead and move it maybe up to a 13 and see if we can reverse. Okay, drive again. Yep, there we go. So the clutch is definitely working. So overall, guys, I think it's fantastic. If I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.